Remember the video I made about the HYTE Y60 LCD screen panel? Well, I might have found a better one. Hey, what's up everyone, it's Ben here from HYTE Origins. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the 12.6-inch LCD display from VS Display. And we're doing a comparison between the official HYTE Y60 LCD screen panel and the VS display I got from Amazon. And if you want to know the difference between these two models, be sure to stick till the end. If you have been eyeing on the HYTE Y60 LCD screen panel from the HYTE official website, and you're thinking maybe you should just get one from the official website since it's the most legit and also just 3D print a compartment for it, right? Wrong. Hear me out. Before you click that buy button, you need to know about a better alternative that's going to blow your mind. Now, don't get me wrong, HYTE Y60 LCD screen panel from its website works perfectly fine, and a lot of people have good reviews for it. But there's a catch. You will have to 3D print a compartment for your circuit board, and also buy your own screw as well as electrical tapes to get the job done. Not to mention, you also have to put in quite some time to figure this thing out, even with the help of one of our previous videos. Which, by the way, if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to watch it. Now, I don't want to leave you hanging with disappointing news. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to a fantastic alternative, the VS Display LCD screen panel. This video is not sponsored. We purchased it to try it out so you don't have to. We got this screen panel from Amazon for $156.99. I'll link it down in the description below. It's $7 more than the HYTE official LCD display for $150, but it provides way more value, and here's why. Now, this display comes with a fully integrated circuit board and compartment, so you don't have to worry about installing the circuit board, the ribbon cable, and also the electrical tapes. This makes installing the VS Display LCD screen panel a whole lot easier compared to the one HYTE sells on their official website. Right off the bat, it comes with LCD screen panel itself, the Molex power cables for your screen, and also the HDMI cable. I'm going to quickly show you guys the installation and then I'll explain some of its features. First, we're going to remove this side glass panel and also the front glass panel. Then we'll remove the back panel so we can have access to this one. Alright guys, so now with the first version I've installed on the HYTE Y60 case, you can see there's a lot of electrical tape, there's a bunch of stuff, and you also have to even 3D print one compartment for the LCD screen itself. But for the V2 version, everything comes with it, so you don't really need to mess with a bunch of like taping and also 3D print a compartment for it. You can basically just slap it on your glass panel and it should be all set to go. I'm excited to try this out real quick. On the previous video, I have mentioned about the little gap here from the HYTE Y60 official LCD screen display. It essentially leaves a gap here and you have to 3D print a bottom wedge to support your LCD display, or you can also choose to cover it with electrical tape. However, the VS display has it included so your LCD screen will stay in place and there is no need for electrical tape or 3D print a bottom wedge for it. So the last thing we need to do here is to plug in these two cables and then we should be all set to go. Ooh. As you guys can see here from this LCD screen display, it's a lot neat and tidier compared to the previous one I've used. It saves you a bunch of time and money since you won't be buying this stuff and installing them anymore. We only swap out the display and keep the rest of the cables in it since they use the same 12V Molex cable and HDMI cable. And I don't want to take them apart just to install the other one. So also one thing that I really like about this display is that it also has integrated settings button on the back of the display for easy access. You can adjust the settings such as display input, brightness, contrast, etc. You get the idea. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy and also learn something today. And if you enjoy content like this, be sure to smash that like and subscribe button. And also comment down below and let us know what you think about the V2 version of the VS display. Would you get it now? Or would you prefer to have your HYTE Y60 case without the LCD screen panel? Let us know. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!